Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on guard when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that jump on jealousy. My bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do y'all like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that jump on. My bad, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Cynosure. Shout out to you, Cynosure, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So it says Honey Blonde Highlight Deep Wave Wig, 13x4, 13x6, lace front wig, colored human hair lace wig. This unit is available in 10 to 30 inches. All even numbers is available in the lace sizes 13x4, 13x6, and a 4x4 closure. It's 150% density, 180, and 220. So it says wig type is highlight color, deep wave human hair. The texture is deep wave. I already listed all the densities. The color is 4/27. It's only available in a medium cap size. But I do want to go ahead and throw it out there because I have it in a closure now. If you get it in a 13x4 or 13x6, I don't think this is going to work. But as far as closures, I think you can make it work no matter what size your head is. Maybe that's just me because I only got the head that's on my shoulders. But it is average. I'm an average cap size, and I did have to adjust the strap. So I feel like you can make it work across the board, in my opinion. It also says it ships within 24 hours after payment except for on holidays. Okay, so on my thing it says this unit is deep wave. It says 200% density, 5x5 closure for the color is 427, the length is 22 inches. Now, honestly, y'all, I was wondering when I looked on the site and saw that it said 4x4, because this is definitely giving 5x5, because literally I can part it all the way back here. It doesn't seem on the site that they have a 5x5 available. Maybe it's out of stock, I don't know. But let me go ahead and tell y'all that it says it's 200% density, and in my opinion, that is not the case. That is not the case, okay? It's definitely given 150. So I want to throw that out there as well, so you guys know, and you can't say I ain't tell you, girl, because I told you, girl. Okay. Now everything else is to me accurate. They didn't say if it was HD lace or not, but this lace melted. It was given HD, girl. Okay, it's given HD to me, but they don't have it on there, so I ain't gonna say it. But it's given HD. Is it given HD to y'all? I did bleach the knots, but I did not tweeze this unit whatsoever. Actually, I just bleached the knots. I bleached the knots, and because it was a deep wave unit, I was like, oh, well, I can go ahead and I'm gonna wet it anyway. I do want to go ahead and throw it out there that honestly, I wish I had no wet it, because I like that poofy look. I don't know, y'all, it might be a stage, I don't know what it is, but I really like that poofy look that it was given prior to me wetting it. So I'm gonna try to get that back, but I only wetted and applied my Cantu curling mousse, so it shouldn't stay wet. It should, and you can probably see already in the bag, it's probably already dry. And that's just the look that I'm going for. The only reason that I wet units these days and apply mousse is just so that it is not too wild and dry looking. Okay? Not to actually, I'm not really going for the wet look. I'm just not. But anyways, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright, so we're going to start with the cons, because you guys know I like to end on a high note. And my con is going to be the fact that it says 220% density, and it's definitely given 150, so that's the con for me. I don't mind 150% density. I just mind that it says one thing and it's definitely not that. So it could be an error. I don't know. I guess once the company sees the video, they'll let me know, and I'll have all that listed down below in the description box, so just check it. But for right now, that is my only con. As far as my pros, I love the color. I love the fact that this unit did not need to be tweezed. I love the lace. I'm definitely feeling the lace. And you guys know I live for a closure. So those are all of my pros. Yes, I would recommend this unit. I think it's a great beginner-friendly unit, and I love the color, and I feel like the color is safe because of the darker roots, because I know sometimes that's what scares people off if a unit doesn't have dark roots. But I feel like if you're kind of branching off into color, then with the dark roots, with that splash of color at the bottom, it's like perfect. Okay, so yes, I would personally recommend this unit. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Let me know what you think about the color. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you, Cynosure, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not costing not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Looks your love completely. Got every styles and weekly. Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The WIGS for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. The WIGS for me. It's disastrous.